Imagine yourself sitting with your friends in your early childhood during the school days and talking about space. Then a question arrived: how many planets are there in our solar system? Some answered 8, some answered 9. During our childhood, it was one of the major debates among us, also among scientists. But in actual, there are 9 celestial bodies revolving around Sun, and only 8 of them got a planet tag. And the ninth one, Pluto, is called a dwarf planet. But why? Why it is called so? Is it small in size or anything else? Let's talk about Pluto in brief with some interesting facts and knowledge. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Global Scientists. We are here to just talk about space in a straight and simple way. So being a dwarf does not depend upon size only, although it is as small as 1/6 of our moon. But there are 3 criteria to be followed to become a planet. First one is that it should orbit the sun directly. Second, it should have a sufficient mass to generate its self-gravity. And the third and the last one is that it should have cleared its orbital path. Means it does not share its orbital path with any other celestial object out there. But our dwarf Pluto shares its orbital path with other icy asteroids of Kuiper Belt region in outer solar system. That's why it is called a dwarf. Now let's talk about a bit of history and some interesting facts about our Pluto. Pluto was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh. From then to 2006, it was referred as a planet, but in 2006, International Astronomical Union redefined planetary terms and referred it as a dwarf. Our Pluto is named after the Roman god of underworld. It has 5 moons orbiting around it as it is orbiting around Sun. You all will be shocked if I tell you that it takes 248 years to complete one revolution around the Sun, and one day there is equal to 6.4 days on Earth. Its orbit also intersects Neptune's orbit, but there is some gap of 8 astronomical units which is preventing it from collision. If we talk about its thin atmosphere, which contains mostly nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, the pressure is extremely low as compared to Earth. Pluto's surface is covered with ocean gases, icy plains, cratered sites, mountains, and valleys, which makes it a rocky planet covered with ice. I was wondering from where we all got to know that much about Pluto, which is 4 billion miles from Earth. Maybe telescopes? No, it was NASA's New Horizons probe, which was launched in 2006 and conducted a flyby of Pluto in July 2015 to study Pluto and other Kuiper Belt objects. It provided us with the clearest and closest image of Pluto, its moons, and much more. It also helped us to know that Pluto is still geologically active. Overall, it amplified our knowledge about Pluto. In conclusion, our Pluto maybe got a tag of dwarf, but it still attracts space enthusiasts and scientists towards its atmosphere, icy mountains, plains, and its moons. If you are watching the video till now, we think this as our success. Thank you for watching the video and making our effort successful.